All right, hey, this is Chris with American, meeting with Josh with Hilti. We're talking about the Kwik-X Dual Action anchor system. You want to take it over from there, Josh?
Absolutely. So what we're working with here today is the new Kwik-X Dual Action anchor, which is a fast, safe, and easy alternative to traditional injectable adhesive anchors. The installation process is super simple. All you have to do is drill the hole, drop the capsule in the hole, drive the screw in, and then you're done. This system eliminates the need of hole cleaning. It eliminates the need for accessories like air compressors, brushes, and dispensers. And not only that, but in temperature conditions like this, the adhesive is fully cured in 30 seconds. So it just really maximizes productivity on the job site and makes anchoring faster, safer, and easier.
Once it's set, can you remove it at all, or is it set completely?
Absolutely. Once it's set and cured, you're actually able to fully remove this anchor. And if you want, you can even reinstall that anchor in the same borehole one time.
Yeah, I think it's an awesome product. I think our customers are going to love that. It's going to be quick, easy, really efficient for them.
Absolutely.